I'm here to advocate for semen retention, no fat, and sexual retention once again. But first, before my advocacy, before I start spitting beautiful truths and words out, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And what about you who are returning but have not subscribed? Man, you know what to do. Go ahead and subscribe. I truly appreciate you. I'm asking you to make a commitment, like I have made, to share semen retention, no FAP, and sex transmutation with every man that you meet. If the situation calls for it, if the moment is right, talk about it. Even with women, because there's a woman out there who wants to hear that she will take it to her boyfriend or her husband or her fiance, and that will change his life. I am forever promoting no FAP, semen retention, and sex transmutation, because these three are my savior. And for you who are on the same journey as I, you know they are your savior as well. If you've been saved by no FAP, you've been saved by semen retention, you have to go out and share this word. It's your salvation. Now let it save the other men in your community. Tell your friends, even if they don't understand, even if they look at you weird, they're not gonna kill you. In fact, because you're on NoFap, you're strong, you're courageous. Share the word. I'm asking you, please let it out. And that in turn will set you free even further. We wanna share the benefits. Whenever I'm talking to someone and they make a comment like, you look young for your age, I go straight to semen retention and no FAP and sex transmutation. If somebody says, you've done pretty well, you've only been in America for this amount of years, I go straight to semen retention and sex transmutation and no FAP. If anybody, man or woman, mentions how jovial I am, how happy, dynamic, enthusiastic, magnetic, on time, business savvy, whatever great characteristic about me mentioned by anybody, I go straight to semen retention, no FAP, and sex transmutation. Because truth of the matter is, semen retention is what has given me the character that I have. Semen retention is what has given me and what made me who I am. The magnetism, the enthusiastic, the hopefulness, the relentless pursuit attitude, my ability to persevere, my motivation, my punctuality, my self-respect and self-love, my dedication. Semen retention. Yes. We want people to have the information because we are leaders, we are visionaries. We want people to know what's happening. We want people to have the information to change their lives because we are visionaries, we are leaders, and we want people to change for that, so that we have a better world, at least a better community, at least a better network of people. That's who we are. So we do not withhold information that can make change occur in people's lives. We share that information. So the commitment that I am asking you to make, my brothers, is to share semen retention with one man, woman, young woman, at least once a day. That's part of my conversation. We have to share the truth We have to go and save the lost ones. By sharing this good news with a woman, we might indirectly save her man, her son, her grandson, or whoever is connected to her. By sharing it with a woman, she might go and share it with her community. You don't know who she knows. You don't know who in her life is suffering. By sharing it with a man, we have the opportunity to save him, his son, his grandson, his team. Maybe he's a coach. You understand? Maybe he's a sensei. Maybe he's a teacher. You don't know. Maybe he's a preacher and he's silently suffering. When I used to be in the church, I was a young preacher, a youth leader, being on the board of directors, preaching, teaching, going to Bible school, and struggling with porn and masturbation every night in silence. The church is filled with people, with men and women suffering with porn addiction. You don't know who you're going to set free. Let the word out. That's the commitment I'm asking of you. Share the good news of NoFap, semen retention, and sex transmutation. If you can't provide elaborate details, refer them to online resources such as YouTube, my channel, another men's channel, other resources. Tell them to go to Amazon and type the keywords and Google the keywords or YouTube the keywords. But we must share this good news. We cannot operate in our ego and wish
that people don't know why our voice is so deep and coarse.
A woman called me at 11 something p.m. the other night. And I got on the phone and we started talking because semen retention will sublimate the brain, which means your higher functions, cognitive functions will be exponentially better. Your language will improve. Your critical thinking will improve. So as you speak with people will be like, I mean, you have a nice flow of ideas. Your ideas bloom and flow together and are in coherence and they make sense. And she said, oh my gosh, you sound so sexy. You know, that's a woman's word for intelligent, magnetic, enthusiastic, on point. I laughed for a few seconds and say, thank you for the compliment. Because I know who I am and I know what I have, right? But I don't wish for people to just praise me, so to speak, and then keep the secret that makes me so. That's operating in the ego. That's operating in the first chakra. We're not there. My heart has already been sublimated. My throat chakra has opened. My crown chakra. Now we are working on the crown chakra to keep amplifying it. But the other 6 chakras are in alignment in me and in some of you too. So our love for humanity has been awakened. Our leadership ability has been awakened. Our visionary ability has been awakened and called forth. And we now operate in these capacities. So we are community leaders, world leaders, world visionaries. We call people out and to ascend to their higher selves. We want to share this good news, my friend. I am begging you, imploring you, pleading with you, asking you. Well, I'm summoning you to go out and share this good news with anybody, especially young men, because millennials and younger than millennials have it worse than me, who I'm about to turn 40. They have it worse because high-speed internet pornography is worse than when I started at 13 back in the days. I only had Playboy magazines. You only had videos. You had to buy the videos or check them out from, what was that store again, that video store back in the days? Oh my God, I don't remember. But you know that video store. Oh my God. But now the internet gives unlimited choices and options of types and kinds and different intensities and levels of clips, videos, porn videos. So the young men's brains are being damaged at an unimaginable rate, so fast, so high. Oh my gosh. You have to share this word. I'm telling you. Until next time, subscribe, share this video. Namaste. Bye.